Images have become much easier to use with Gutenberg. Let's add an image block. And you'll find that under the common blocks. So instead of opening the media library like it normally does, it gives us the options right here and we don't have to leave the page. And I'm just going to drag an image straight to the block. And there's Mr. Poe there. I can click on the image then, and I've got these settings over here. I can choose a thumbnail, medium, large, or full size. We can also have it 25% of the dimensions, 50%, 75, or 100. Then it also gives me these nice handles here that will proportionally scale the image. And then there's a place for a caption just below it. And I can align the image from the buttons up at the top. And there it is down at the bottom, and I'll move that up to the top. Right above the orange text. Save draft and preview.